This is my first generation Toyota Mirai. I get about 270 to 300 miles per tank of hydrogen. I can fuel in about 3 to 5 minutes, just like a normal gasoline vehicle. Today I'm driving from LA to San Francisco.
Clean horizon, a brand new start, driven by the rhythm of a steady heart. Moving further, the vision is clear, building the future, and we're finally here. Everything is possible, the energy is...
So I made it here in record time. And what's amazing is I have almost 50 miles left. I thought I would only have 30 to 35 on the car, but I have 50. I'm in Harris Ranch filling up, should be about 5 minutes, and after that, I'm on my way to San Jose.